And I think sometimes, and myself included, we can all be taken in by a good sales rep who can talk the talk. We want to grow specifically through education. And if it's good education, it sells itself. You don't need necessarily a good sales rep to do that. When I first came across the Erchonia technology, I used to advise clinics on the types of technology to buy. And it really astounded me at the time as to the level of questions that were being asked that weren't pertinent to the purchase. And it's a lot of money that clinics are investing in these sorts of technologies. So, you know, I'd go into a clinic and a lot would say, yeah, we've got something, it's FDA cleared, which is great in itself. But you need to follow up more questions than that. What's it FDA cleared in? You know, we've seen technologies that's FDA cleared in wrinkles and rhytids, but they're selling treatments for fat loss. We've seen it in increased circulation, and they're selling treatments for fat loss. Every study that we bring to the market is specific to the technology and the message that we're delivering. So ask about what is the clearance, ask how long it took to get the results and what were the results. Ask about how many peer-reviewed published journals the company have. Ask about the adverse reactions and the side effects, and just try to build up a profile. So when anybody says to us they're going to do their due diligence, I'm over the moon that they are, because the research stands up to itself. It's gold standard. So, you know, and it sounds maybe a little bit arrogant saying we're the future of fat loss, but we thoroughly believe it because we've got the education and the research to back it up.
Thank you. By the way, if anyone has any questions, please just obviously raise your hand.